The Nike Sabrina 3 EP Me vs Me brings a calm but deadly aesthetic that reflects Sabrina Ionescu's precise, competitive mindset. Built for players who value quick reactions, sharp footwork, and dependable support, the shoe features a lightweight mesh upper layered in white, wolf gray, and photodust, with a metallic dark gray swoosh adding a striking edge. Its pleated side panels and midfoot cables create smooth curves that stabilize every cut and shift. Underfoot, the forefoot air zoom unit supplies discreet yet explosive bounce, while the dual foam midsole, Cushlon 3.0 plus a firmer stabilizing layer, keeps players low to the ground for better control. Designed for outdoor courts, the XTR outsole uses a multi-directional traction pattern to deliver confident grip during fast changes in direction. Blending function, finesse, and a serene color palette, the Sabrina 3 EP stands out as a performance-driven model that looks as sharp as it plays, perfect for fans seeking both style and on-court precision.